I'ma go and get your body, killing niggas like tsunami. I ain't talking about no petty, throwing hands like Kanye Money. Yes, the money can barely moving, doing sins. I be fucking up these bitches like my name is Johnny Sin. Hey guys, it's Jay here. Today I'm back with a new video. Today we're reacting to Madonna, Human Nature. Like, this song was requested so much, like in the comments it was like flooded with human nature, like so crazy. But I'm gonna do it today, but before that, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me, my links down below on social medias. And yeah, like, I can't put up a name of someone because it was like so many. I'm gonna try to put up at least 1 or 2 people, but it was so many. And yeah, let me know now in the comments what song I'm to react to next, and I'll do for you guys. And now let's get on to the video. Ta-da. Like, the song, you can hear like the vintage inside of it, and the video also. Let me know in the comments like what year this song came out. She's been this way, like dominatrix, like sex, love, like she's been this way. She's crazy. Woo!
Absolutely no regrets.
Guys, this was me reacting to Madonna, Human Nature. Like, when people say that Madonna is doing too much for her age, like, people don't understand that she's been doing this like for a long time. Like, this video seems like very, very old, and she's been doing like her crazy stuff in it. Like, she's been that way. Like, she's been like being naked. She's been doing crazy shit. She's been doing all of, everything she's doing now. She's been doing it. That's it. That's it. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what songs you want me to react to next, and I will do it for you guys. And yeah, I've been Mr. J. You guys been awesome. See you guys next time. Bye.
They can never fucking touch me. They can never fuck me. While you niggas talking shit, I'ma pull up with your bitch. I'ma go and get her pregnant, have a couple fucking kids.